Okay. Hello, everyone. This is our project Sustainable Store Delivery Project for H&M China. Please follow us to go through the project chapters in detail.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lin. I am part of a team member who are having to handle this project. I will be sharing with the project descriptions, purpose, and project scope. I have my teammate here, Turen. Turen will share with us on the high-level project product requirements. Following CC, she will share with us on the budget, initial risk, and project again. Lastly, we have Royston, who will be sharing with us on the milestones, project objective, project manager, and authority level. Now, the project scope and the project description and purpose is that DB Schenker has won a tender of a total contract value of 25 million Chinese yuan for the project of sustainable store delivery for H&M in China. So the main purpose of this project is to have the CO2 emissions reductions and meeting the requirement of sustainability by using the electronic drop for the logistic of transportation for 145 retail stores within China. So the project has been accepted and approved by the H&M Logistic and Transportation Director, Mr. Everdeen. To deliver this project, we have a team members has been selected. There will be 12 members who will be supporting our CC project manager. The project is commenced by 1st of October 2022. If we can complete this project and successfully, we bring in 200,000 China yuan for DB Schenker. Moreover, will be contribute greatly to the reputations of DB Schenker because of working along with the giant fashions like H&M. The project descriptions is we basically refer to the transportation needs between the DC and the current 145 retail store. The launch of this project is to transform our current transportation model into the green transportations model for the reductions of CO2 emissions. This is to meet the global sustainability goal, while at the same time, we have to maintain on-time delivery standard. The requirements for this project along has to be paperless. Everything has to be processed by the electronic form, e-delivery notes, and e-POD. This will be signed by the H&M. We also need to have a GI integrated system. The scope has been dedicated to each team member based on the store geography. Next, I will have Turin. I will pass to Turin to share with you on the high project level. Turin, please go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Lynn. Hi, everybody. My name is Turin. I'll be covering the high-level project overview. As you may already notice, H&M business concept is to offer fashion and quality at the best price in a sustainable way. DB Schenker, as the existing service provider, and our project implementation team has been vigorously working on transformation plan. DB Schenker implementation team of 15 members will be reporting to our project managers. H&M Transportation Department Leader, Mr. William Zhang, will oversee the whole project development by DB Schenker. Sustainable store delivery project comprises 2 + 2 years contract period, and with these requirements and service scope. Number 1, 30 days payment term. Number 2, sustainable transportation model. Number 3, implementation of paperless procedures. And number 4, we have quarterly review plan of CO2 reduction data. And the breakdown of the process, as you can see on the slide, for initiating the project, DB Schenker will be providing the project model details, quotations, and specifications to be sent to H&M to support the transformation from traditional transportation model to sustainable store delivery model by adopting electric trucks. As for the project planning, we're gonna assemble a core implementation team of 12 members who report directly to the DB Schenker project managers, and we also gonna get all key stakeholders to plan together and align their expectations to the project scope and schedule, cost, and electric trucks model specifications. For the project execution, we will get HMN to approve and commit to the plan do checks act cycle and the milestone delivery schedule based on the established critical path, and DB Schenker core implementation team to provide a required input and support to DB Schenker's execution team with content. And we also gonna conduct replanning if HMN expectations are not met. Shanghai, Nanjing, Hangzhou, Suzhou, Kushan, and Ningbo shall be piloted city to adopt first electric trucks. And for monitoring and control, we're gonna get HMN attention if project execution method and procedures are deviating from the underlying project scope, timeline, cost, and quality. We will also be implementing a single source of truth-based ICT communication ecosystem between key stakeholders and remove communication barriers and errors to ensure all key stakeholders are fully aware of the real-time project status and progress of the project. And finally, we're going to close the project. We're going to get all key stakeholders to sign off to declare that the project is successfully completed and approved by the Ministry of Transport of the People's Republic of China. Next slide, please. Our project primary objective is to meet HMN long-term sustainability goal, which is zero CO2 emission. And secondary objective is to GI system integration and launch to pilot cities. And the other secondary objective target is on-time delivery, reduce cost, and create shared value between all key stakeholders. That's the end of my sessions. Cecile will take over the next session. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, let's look into the summary budget, which referred to the option 2 to use electric truck for H&M store delivery. The estimated budget for the resources is China yuan 25 million, breakdown into electric truck purchasing fee, about China yuan 50 million, driver's salary, China yuan 10 million, system integration cost, China yuan 50,000, electric surcharge, China yuan 25,000. Let's move on to see the initial risks of this project. The first one is financial risk. After the transformation of the transportation model, the logistic cost is 1.2 times contrast with the original model, and this growth has caused the company's net profit to decrease. The second one is operational risk. Since the number of electric trucks in the market is much less than the normal trucks, the market penetration rate is relatively low. If any unexpected situations such as traffic accident, vehicle breakdowns are found during the delivery process, it takes a long time to mobilize the replacement electric trucks, which will lead to serious delay on delivery. The third one is technical risk. Since the drivers of electric trucks all need to be retrained, refer to charging electric vehicle skill, electric truck driving skill, etc. While in the first running cities, it is not easy to find the charging piles for electric truck, so the electric trucks have the potential risk of run out of power in the middle of road. The last one is market risk. Any delivery delay situation incurs, it will directly affect the sales of H&M stores and further affect the company's overall margin. Except this risk of this project, actually this project also has some positive achievements, such as electric truck solution can fully support H&M's sustainability targets and achieve H&M on-time delivery requirements. At the same time, cost-wise was also within H&M's budget. This innovation model also can create the shared value for their retail business to make consumer more willing to support their business. H&M is famous fast fashion brand in the world. Their footprint has been already full coverage of China and other countries. The successful operation of the project will bring more business opportunity to DB Schenker. Thus, this is a win-win situation for two organizations. Let's go to see the milestone of this project. Okay, so this is the milestone charter for each deliverable. Deliverable 1, design of the questionnaire of HM survey. Number 2, prepare the implementation plan to make this project can going smoothly. Number 3, testing electric vehicle on specific cities such as Shanghai, Nanjing, and others. Number 4, implement marketing strategy for option 2, which is electric truck. Okay, let's go to see the timeline of this project. This is go live milestone. We can see that the first store, the first cities will be Shanghai with 15 stores and the estimated 15 electric truck with the official go live. And followed by Shanghai is Hangzhou with 4 electric truck and 20 stores. Then after that is Nanjing, Suzhou, Kunshan, Ningbo will launch this project. Okay, let's go to next slide to see the stakeholder matrix.
Hi everyone, I would like to introduce the stakeholder matrix to you. It shows how we're going to manage our relationship with these different groups of stakeholders. Firstly, for the highest power and highest interest group, we would manage closely. As the opposite, the lowest power and lowest interest group, we would just monitor them. And then for the high power but no interest group, we would keep them satisfied. Lastly, the low power but the high interest group, we will keep informed. And please go to next slide. From this slide is showing the project team organization chart from DB Shankar. And the head of this project will be the transportation director, Eileen Chen. And followed by them, 3 major groups are supporting this project. First of all is the IT and solution. And then it's the vendor management and the operation teams. Next slide, please. From this slide, we would like to share the project triple constraints to you. And these triple constraints are showing how we're going to allocate our interest and time for the schedule, scope, and the cost part. Next slide, please. From here is the project approval requirement for the success criteria. And here the scope part and the cost part are both signed off by the H&M Logistics and Transportation Director. And the scope will be the least flexible part and the cost will be the most flexible part. Why? Because the scope is related to the business directly, and the on-time delivery to 50 stores in Shanghai at the first day of go live is a critical point for the success criteria. That's why if we can achieve that, it means this is acceptable and will be signed off by the H&M Logistics and Transportation Director. And the quality part will also very important. As long as it has 15 trucks in each city to support the delivery jobs, it will be considered acceptable and success. Then it will be signed off by the H&M Transportation Project Leader. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.